Welcome friends, let's open portable garment steamer. It's 1501 Black and Decker. It's the company name. Its price range from 11,000 to 13,000. It's a very easy portable, uh, you can say iron or portable steamer. It steams and it press cloths. It doesn't require any table, so you can do your work standing. This is the book. In case if you are using this for the first time, so better you read the book. We are getting out of the packet. Now you will see how we will use it and how we will fix it. This is the extension which convert three shoe into double shoe, or you can use this by single plug, or it's very easy and convenient. So let's see the other part. This is the front portion of the steamer, and it's another plug which is fixed with the bottle in case if you are using much work. So a big bottle will serve you a lot of water, as steaming continuously require a lot of water. This is the front part, so we will try to fix it. It's just like a bulb, so better you fix it on the uh, grip. It's not very hard, rather it's easy, so it's fit now. We will use this is the on off button, and at the front it have another button which is used for steamer. This is the tank opening in which we will store water. It opens like a pin bulb, so you can see that it gets out easily. These are the pins inside which hold this bottle or this tank. Lower part of this bottle will be filled with water. And now I'll show you another thing which is for heavy work. These are the plugs. It's easily fit into it. You can see that it's fit now, and you can take any bottle, either big or small. They depend on your duty or work. So you can see that we have fit it into it. This is the tank, so we are filling water. Now we will refix the same in the steamer. You can see this is fit again. It's very easy, but a little tricky in the first. Blinking started. Now it will heat up. Now you can see the color of the button is again changed, and now it has started work. The front button is used for opening the steam. So you do not require any hard position or table work through in which we are using conventional iron. So the work is continuing. You can see the steam also. It's working very easily. And now the shirt is ready. You can press big cloths like shalwar khamis very easily. So this was the entire function of steamer. It's 1500 watt, and it's quick in working. So please press like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.